Hello students, this is V. Srinivas working in SRR Gout Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. Today I am going to discuss about the subject is operating system. The subtitle is Windows Server and Linux. So the subtitle is taken by final year MPCS 5th semester. So what is Windows and what is Linux? So Windows is the multi-user operating system. So Linux also multi-user operating system. The operating system is already we discussed by the definition of multi operating system and evolution of operating system and types of operating system and how to use the operating system. Uh, Importance of the operating system. These topics are discussed by previous class. So this present class, the Windows and server, the both are the multiple operating systems. So what is operating system? First, the operating system is the interface between the system and user. So without operating system, we cannot run the computers. In this, the Windows Server schedule threads and using priority base and the scheduling algorithm. So this algorithm and algorithm definition and algorithm types of algorithms previous class we are already discussed by previous class. The Windows scheduler and ensures the highest priority and the thread will always run. They called the dispatcher. The dispatcher used 32 level priority scheme to and the determine the order of thread and the execution. Dispatcher will execute the special thread called the ideal thread. The priority are divided into two classes. So they are the variable class and the next one is the real time class. So variable class, the variable class and contains threads having priorities from 1 to 15. Real time class, the real time class contains threads with the priorities and the ranging from 16 to 31. The these so there is also thread running the priority 0 and used to memory management system. So what is memory? So computer cannot understand the English language, it can understand the only binary language. So one bit is called 0 or 1, one byte is called 8 bits. So for example, we take the A number. Here in this keyboard we enter the A, press the A button. Yeah, on the screen output will be displayed the A. Automatically internally the A is called are bit bytes. So 63 number is uh, displayed on the central processing unit CPU, but output we see the only for a digit. So internal automatically change the number and understand the central processing unit, send the information to A. The A print the output devices. So there are the relationship between the numeric priorities of the Windows kernel. So what is kernel? Kernel is a bridge just like user and the Windows and the Windows API. The Windows API identifies the following 6 priority classes. So ideal priority class and the below normal priority class and normal priority class, above normal priority class and the high priority class and the real time priority classes. So the variable for relative and the priority include so ideal, lowest, normal and the highest, time critical. So the base of priorities for each priority class, real time priority class 24 and the high priority class 13. So above priority class 10, so normal priority class 8 and the below normal class 6 and the ideal priority class. Example of the Linux. So the Linux process schedule is used to priority based algorithm which the real time support. Linux provide two separate process. The scheduling algorithm, one is the time sharing algorithm for fair primitive scheduling among the multiple process. Second is designed for the real time tasks where the absolute priorities are more important than and the fairness. Linux allow only the process running in user mode to be and permitted. A process may not be and permitted while it is running in the kernel mode. Linux uses the credit based algorithm. So Windows Server 2006 resolves the interface between the devs and the ops. So Windows Server app platform, the desktop app using to SDK and the Nano server package apps using the Windows Server API installer configure and the app using DSC. So deploy apps developing using the package management, run apps in physical and the VMS or the containers, test apps and the using poster. So the Windows Server is the main important. It is the use of the multiple operating system. The only one single user use the different types of applications in the output in the system. The Windows Server main use it is the multiple operating system. So the operating system used for the user at a time multiple operations. For example, we take the one edit the word documentation and listen the songs and we see the some different types of websites in the website. So these are the advantages of Windows operating system. The Windows Server, so the platform, the configure app using DSC and the deploy apps and the dependence using package management. So run apps in the physical VMS or the container, test apps using the paster. So secure apps using to just enough administration. So contains in the Windows Server. So develop apps using to and the frameworks and the Nano server. So what is server? Server and clients. These are the think clients. We call the think clients. So one server is the highest configuration. The clients are the different types of clients. So just we take the 110 clients. The each client the data will be taken by the server. The server is the administration to the 10 systems. So send the data and receive the data to client to server and server to client. So this information and the database total database 10 systems database stored in the server system. So the server system is the main advantage. So it is a very security and security based system and high configuration server central processing unit. So each and every one store the data depending on security. So and configure apps, container images and the deploy and the container images from the res, uh, repositories, run containers and through of the characters, test app using your test and the frameworks. So developing apps and the targeting Nano server. Here see the applications I so higher and the density and the reduced attack to surface and the service servicing and the requirements. Next generation distributed apps and the framework. So here see the one example is there diagram Nano server just enough operating system and the container of text gen applications and the traditional VM and the workload and the server core lower and the maintenance server environment. So full GUI and the specialized workloads. The Nano server next step in our cloud and the journey server roles and the the optional live and the outside Nano server and the standalone packages that and the key role of the features here full Windows server driver support and the optional packages system center VMM and the OM and the agents are available. The Nano server uh, cloud application platform. So Nano means it is a small server. the subset of 32-bit and the .NET Core and ASP.NET Core and powerful and the PowerShell and the desired state configuration and the CSC and the package management, aka OneGit, and the open source application frameworks, so available as operating system everywhere. The host operating system for the physical hardware and the guest OS in a VM and the Windows Server container Hyper-V containers. The Nano Server developer experience. So developer experience, unlike server and the core Windows SDK and Visual Studio 2015 target Nano Server and the rich design time experience. So full remote and the debugging experience. The server applications development. So each and every server is the especially the applications. Application means the Windows server applications. Just like we take the icons, desktop icons are there, the my computers and the network neighborhood and recycle bin and next the Windows Explorer. These are the applications are, it is developed by the operating system. We install the operating system automatically. These applications are stored in the server system. So this type of server application developed. Click stock for RDS and the developers target Nano server and the deploy of the physical virtual or the containers. Here, remote desktop server and the local administrative tools, server core and the Nano server. The porting existing of apps to Nano server. So with the reserve forwards, user code will load and the API calls in those DLL uh, will either and the result in API call and the succeed succeeding the API in the Nano server boundary and the return of the not implemented exceptions if it is the not within the Nano server boundary. The reverse forwarders. So here see the ADVP 32-bit and the DLL. These are the different types of forwarders. The what runs today with the reserve forwards, Chef, PHP and the Python 3.5. These are the versions and different types of softwares and the Node.js Geo. So Redis and the MySQL, OpenSSL, Java Open JDK and RUBI SQLite. So these are the today advanced softwares. These softwares are supported the Windows Server and the Windows Server container. So system, here system and the session manager, local security authority and the event manager. So container uh, engine, container engine and the server. So this is the process, the system process. First it is the session of manager and the local security authority, system security and the event manager, etc. So this is the Windows Server containers and the Windows kernel here. This is the interface. This is just like bridge between the system and the user. And the hyper fifth containers, system process. What is what is the system process? The system session manager, local security authority, and the event manager, etc. And the container engine and engine and the server. The virtual machine, the specially optimized to run the container manager. Here the Windows Server container. So and the guest compute server, basic system process. Same container image, same API. So here the application framework and the Windows Server, Windows container images. So these are the different types of images and container runtime. So Hyper-V and the container Windows Server and next Windows Server container write once and the deploy and the container management. So Dockers. So this process is called same container and the image same API. Next one, operating system deployment modes. So the container must be match the host and the nano and the nano will be and the relaxed in the future. The Hyper-V container, the container is the must be nano server. The server core support the coming here. See the physical server and the container here, container and the physical server. So where to run the container? Here the existing server physical or the VM and install the Windows Server 2016 TP4 and the Windows Server. These are the supported operating systems softwares. Windows Server 2016 TP4 and the Windows Server and Hyper-V 5th and the containers nested and the virtualization on the Hyper for 5th and the VM and Windows 10 or Windows Server 2016 TP4 and the Windows Server and or Hyper-V container. Here Windows container documentation. So Windows containers provide the operating system level and the virtualization that allows and the multi-level isolated applications to be run on a single system. Two different types or of the container runtime and included with the future, each with the different degree of application isolation. Windows Server container the achieve isolation through the namespace and the process isolation. Hyper fifth containers encapsulates and the each container in the lightweight and the virtual machine. In addition of the two runnings, both can be managed each either the PowerShell or Docker. Sorry, and this documentation set the provides quick start guides and the deployment guides and the technical uh, details management operations. Announcing of the Hyper-V containers coming to Windows 10. This is the next operating system, Windows 10. Windows 7 available in the market, Windows 7 also. The Windows 10 and the Hyper-V containers, the builds and the enable the container and the Hyper fifth feature, Nano server only, Windows Server core support coming and the Docker engine and the container operating system image available along with the Windows Server 2016 technical preview 5 soon. Here see the two Windows features on off. So and the .NET framework 3.2 includes and .NET is the framework 4.6 advanced services and the active directory lightweight directory services containers data center binding and the device lockdown. Next one Hyper-V and the internal explorer 11 internal information services and the host table web score and the legacy components media features and the Microsoft message queue and server. So OKR cancel. So these are the nano server only. Next one, the packaging apps using the Windows Server app WSA installer. So Windows Server app WSA installer. Here the Prometheus server and the specific install action to first the class citizens allow intro and the package uh, dependencies will be available in server core and the server with desktop exp allows for and the server specific expenses such as NT servers. Windows servers app WSA install. The roadmap is the includes plans to and the support offline install post of Windows servers 2016. So what is installation? The operating system is the we are the just like for example we take one we purchase the one system first, the empty system are purchased. In this the server system and the client system, the difference between the high configuration low configuration, the keyboard mouse and the central processing unit motherboard and the RAM, next one the processor and the RAM, and next hard disk and motherboard, these are the so devices are there. So first we install the operating system. After the system server system and the client system uh, working for, user can use the system. So without operating system the system cannot work. Any new system, and the configuration is the main important, the high level configuration in the server system, the low level configuration in the client system. So this is the most difference between server and client system. The Windows Server app WSA installer count, and the packaging and the installation. They make the APPX and the EXE to create the package and the digitally sign. So this is the main original installation process. The composition in the orchestrations of the compose of the defines the multi-container application and the start stop and the container via single command, and the scale independent allows their tires and the swam, so aggregates container hosts and the support tagging and the anti affinity. The PowerShell for the Dockers. So Docker client, the PowerShell and the Dockers compose and the Docker registry and the Docker swarm. Here this is the operating system Docker engine. The PowerShell for the Docker source and the build on the Docker's engines uh, REST interface, and will replace the existing container module, and we need you. Windows Server 2016 resolve the interface and the between develops apps. So Windows Server apps platform, here the develop apps using the SDK and the targeting the nano server. The package apps using the Windows Server apps, so installer, the configuration apps using the DSC, and the deploy apps, the dependencies using the package management, run apps physical and the container, test apps using Foster. The target is the nano server and the create WCAS and the deploy using package and the management. So give us feedback on missing uh, reverse forwarders and the installer functionality needed in WSA, the package management. The container in the containers in server, Windows Server, and develop apps using the framework on Nano Server, package apps as container or as the WSA, configure apps using the containers, deploy apps depending on using containers code, the run apps, the containers, and the test apps using your test framework. So these are the containers Windows Server. From the your input in the important here, the scanner and the mobile is there. They scan the data information open on the mobile data. The package management architecture. So end user and the package management core and the package management providers and the package servers. Here the package management is the PowerShell utilize and the uh, discovery and the install, and the what is install. Installation means in the software, the operating system software. Installation means the CPU, the process will be stored on the central processing unit. That is called installation. Copy paste difference and the installation is different. For example, we take the MS Office. The MS Office is copy on the system. It not working the MS Office, but we can install the MS Office. It can work for Word documentation and Excel, PowerPoint presentation. So package management core and the package management providers and the package sources. Testing apps using tester. Sourcing apps using just enough admin JE. Just enough to administrative JE using. So here green color, red color are there. Just enough of the administration. So this is the topic. Total information is the server server Windows Server 2008 R2 and later. So the in this active directory and the management of the endpoint and authority of the operating system. So the Linux also multiple operating system. The background of on Linux and the version of Unix, the Linus and the creator of Linux and the open source operating system, free software and source code available. Where is Linux used? So 75% respondents were already using in the Linux, another 14% were the evaluating it, and the 43% of the all websites use the Linux servers running the Apache web server. So the main it use the main it is the 43% websites. The websites also the total complete offices, government offices use the Linux server operating system. The most advantages of the time sharing and high level configuration available for the low cost, the central processing unit, the server. So this is the main advantage of the purchasing of the Linux operating system. And how is the Linux used? Personal workstation, file and print server. So internet server provider and the three-tier client server and the turnkey systems. So this Linux is the used personal workstation. The personal workstation means in the we create the one office, the personal office. The client servers are there, the server system and client system. The 10 members are working in the office. The 10 members use the Linux operating system installed in the server system. Also the clients also use the operating system to work for the work of the some database management. We create the information of some. We take the one organization, hospital, and the next one railway station. These are the different type offices and prepared by the different types of softwares by the. This is called a personal workstation and the file and print server. So file means we store the database management system. The in this the clients store the information in the system by the folders and the files, subfolders, subfiles. Database will be stored in the file and print server. So we take the print means it is the total information. We take the print immediately and the internet server service provider. So internet service provider. So internet service provider Windows also, and next one the Linux also internet service provider. Means we open the website and see the information of each and every information. So this is the main advantage of the internet service provider and the 3-tier client server turnkey systems. And the using of the Linux on the personal computers. So Linux kernel for free, and the kernel is the central component, and the kernel can be customized to user needs. Linux distributions and the Coral Linux and the Debian and the GNU Linux, the uh, Open Linux and the Red Hat and the Slackware and SUSE Turbo Linux. These are the distributed Linux. Uh, these are the different Linux distributions. SUSE distribution, installing of the Linux. So uh, the hardware requirements, the Linux installation in the system, the requirements of the hardware. What is requirements? Central processing unit and the main memory, store the hard disk and optical drive and the graphic card and the hard drive and the sound card. Central processing unit IBM and the Intel Pentium 1 3 and the no number of 286 and the 386 486 and the Celeron. So AMD and the K623 and the Duran Alton XPMP. So these are the central processing unit models. The processor, we take the company of IBM and the Intel AMD. So Intel Core 2 Pentium 13. So number of 286, the Pentium 1 and the number 286, 386 and the 486 and the Celeron. So these are the Intel developed by the central processing unit, and the IBM also developed by the central processing unit devices, and the AMD K6 by 2 by 3 and the Duran. So these are the different types of the created the Intel and the central processing unit by these are the different types of companies IBM, Intel and the AMD. The main memory SDRAM and the DDRRAM doesn't matter, and the capacity minimum requirements 64 MB and the recommended 128 MP and UP. The optical drive CD-ROM and the DVD-ROM. So Sony these CD-ROM and DVD-ROM released by these companies Sony, Philips and Acer. So SUSE website has the compatible listing, and the CDR Sony, Philips and the Acer. So these are the different types of companies provided by the CD-ROM and the read-only memory, DVD-ROM, read-only memory. So CDR means this is the compact disc recorder, compact disc ROM. So DVD-ROM and the graphics cards. So why use the graphic cards in the Linux operating system? The graphics cards are we play the some games, different types of games and the creativity of the information. This type of different information created in the system. So we graphic cards use must. Without graphic cards we cannot create the different types of games. And the support new cards on the market ATI Radeon 7500 by 8500 and the 5GR 8700 and 8800. So 5GL 2 by 4 and the Matrox G450 by G550. So NVIDIA and the GeForce 2 by 3 by 4 Enforce. Hard drivers. So hard driver means the support of the EIDE and the SCSI drivers. So IBM Maxtroll and the Seagate and the capacity of minimum 400 MB and the full install 3G and anything above 3 GB. So sound card. So why use the sound card in the Linux? The sound card is Windows also use these cards, different types of hard drivers and the sound cards. So without sound cards we cannot listen the songs also and information also. So sound cards are must installed in the place of the central processing unit. All common sound cards and the Dell, Yamaha, OPL3SA. These are the companies personal audio. So Sound Blaster and Audity. So Terrat EWX 24 by 96 stereo I by O, input output analog and digital. So digital system, these are the stereo system, different types of systems information, and all common cards, and the professional audio Sound Blaster audio system. So configure for the Linux system, selected language, and the choosing automatic or the manual uh, partitioning, and the type of software to install, and the choosing which drive boot from. So Windows also configure first, and Linux also configure. They select the language English and other languages, choosing automatic or manual partitioning. What is partition? The partition is the 500 GB hard disk. Otherwise 1 TB 1 terabyte hard disk. We divide the parts, means the hard disk is the 500 GB. We divide the 100 drives, the C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive. So what is the advantage of this partition to create the hard disk? So the advantage is C drive store the operating system in the C drive, and DEF is the personal drives. We can store the some information, and personal information, softwares and audio video movies, games, store the in the different types of drives, DEF drive. So and the type software to install, and the choosing which drive boot from. The configuring Linux, so adjusting the time settings, uh, and the configuring the hardware aspect of the system, and the creating the root password for the administrator, and use user accounts, hardware configuration. So these are the configuration of Linux. So adjusting of the time settings, this is the main advantages of setting time setting, configuring of the hardware and the accept of system, and the creating root of the password for administrator and user accounts. So hardware configuration, working with Linux and the graphical user interface, X Unix system, and the SUSE KDE SUSE. The softwares, the software applications, uh, the software applications of Linux, OpenOffice, and word processing, spreadsheets, drawings. The OpenOffice means the MS Office. Just like we take the Windows is the MS Office, here we call the OpenOffice. Word processing means we create some documents in the word processing. Just like we take the one example biodata form, create in the some small projects, and create in the word processing, and the spreadsheet drawings. What is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is just like Excel sheet. We available for the three sheets automatically, and we inserted for the another uh, sheets, the user defined, and the Adobe Acrobat Reader. Next one, the Kmail and Evolution sound applications. These are the software applications. These another soft TV and the video, radio, and webcam, and the K3B digital cameras, and the KUKA, and the graphic with the GIMP shell system. So these are the software applications, and the working with shell, and the execute user commands, and the command element, and the command name parameters. Linux and directory structure, store the drives. What is drivers? Just we take the one printer. The printer inserted by the CPU, central processing unit. The print, we enter into, we give the print to system. The drivers first installed by the CPU. Automatically the print page will be come out on the printer. So root directory and the beginning of file system. So subdirectories. What is directory and subdirectories? So in the single user operating system, the directories and subdirectories are there. We can store the information in the single user operating system. Just we take the uh, md, make a directory, cd, change a directory, or d, remove a directory. In these directories, we use the information will be stored by the uh, directories. Why use Linux? And the cost is less, and the stable, uh, reliable reliable and extremely powerful. So we use the Linux operating system. Linux versus Windows. So financial difference and the technical differences and the end user differences. The financial differences and the cost for the businesses. Companies have the spend the millions of licenses forever, and the individual Windows computer. For Linux, companies don't have to spend anything. And the technical differences, the keeping up to date and the by upgrading. Linux upgrades faster than Windows. And the capability, Linux is the backward capability unlike Windows. The feature provided, both support dynamic caching, and the both have the multiple operating systems. The application difference, no commercial word process for the Linux, which of the matches and the qualify for Windows. And end user differences, the priority versus open source. Windows is the priority technical technology. Applications will only work on Windows. And the Linux open source. The Linux complete information needed for the download information and the technical help. And the Windows process word process better than Linux. So thank you students. This is the information is Windows server and the Linux server.